Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show the navigation and use of the Case Management Screen Sidebar. The Case Management Sidebar serves as an expanded interface displaying additional functions and information regarding the admitted patient. It facilitates swift navigation to various screens such as the data information, account details, and invoice details through dedicated buttons. In this video, we will start on the Case Management screen. To find the desired case, whether active, finalized, archived, etc., click on the Active drop-down menu and choose the All option. Opting for the All selection simplifies the process of locating the correct case. Now, let's locate the desired patient by clicking on the Search by Patient case field. With the patient list now filtered, select the desired case from the results. The Case Management sidebar will open. We will now take a look at the various sections and buttons within the sidebar. For a comprehensive explanation of the features and sections covered in this video, please refer to the user manuals linked in this video's description. Patient information encompasses demographic details such as the patient's name, surname, ID number, telephone number, as well as any medical aid information if available. The patient information panel specifically focuses on the individual associated with a selected hospital case, providing a concise overview of the relevant data. The Case Edit button on the hospital case screen will enable you to edit and update information for a selected hospital case, facilitating any necessary changes to the case data. You can edit and update data or patient demographic information from the Data Details screen by clicking on the Data Edit button, specifically when changes are required for the data's personal information linked to the selected hospital case. Click on the Patient File button to access a comprehensive overview of the patient's clinical history, including past prescriptions, sick notes, and investigation forms. It also indicates the date of the patient's last visit and treatment at the practice, offering valuable insights for practitioners to identify potential health risks and understand the patient's current condition. Click on the Case Count button to access features related to the debtor's hospital counts, where each debtor has a consolidated account for all their dependents. It displays a summary of transactions, including invoices, receipts, corrections, estimates, and journals associated with the debtor or patient. Click on the Invoice button to view an invoice from the hospital outlining the consumables used, services provided, and accommodation costs for the debtor or patient. The hospital sends the invoice to the debtor or patient, incorporating the patient's details and, if applicable, the primary member's name or the individual responsible for the account payment. Click on the Clinical Case button to access a comprehensive record known as a clinical case, encompassing symptoms, signs, diagnosis, treatment, and follow-up details for the patient. The Clinical Case screen offers an efficient and consolidated platform to access all relevant clinical information in one place, with user-friendly tabs for easy navigation and management. Click on the Receipt button to access the Receipt screen, providing users with the option to record payments made by patients. Click on the SMS button. The SMS feature enables users to send communications to debtors or patients, allowing the hospital to convey information through text messages. You can create customized SMS templates within the GoodX system for efficient communication. Click on the Email button. The email function will enable you to send electronic mails to debtors or patients, facilitating communication of information for the hospital through email messages. Click on the Dial button to utilize the Dial function, enabling you to initiate calls to patients through the GoodX web platform using a feature known as the VoIP call. This technology will let you make voice calls over the internet, eliminating the need for a traditional telephone line. Click on the Add to Bed button to assign the patient to a specific bed in the facility and simultaneously on the system. Click on the Print button to utilize the Print function, allowing you to generate a hard copy of the admission form and labels for the patient file, as well as download the files in PDF format from the available options in the list. Depending on the case selected, you can either discharge or readmit the patient depending on the current case status by clicking on the Discharge or Readmit button. For a hospital case to be finalized, you should ensure that all billing and corrections were done on the case. After all corrections and billing is done, click on the Finalise button. Based on a case status, you can perform various actions such as submitting claims or reversing claims by clicking in the respective Submit Claim or Reverse Claim button. To access the Case Management report, simply click on the Case Management Report button or click on the Email Case Management Report option from the drop-down menu. Also, to download or email the case statement, click on the Case Statement button or the Email Case Statement button within the drop-down menu.